Want to show you guys a pool that no one wants to touch it because it was too many things to deal with between automation, older pumps, older plumbing. Not even the homeowner wanted to touch it, not believing that we could update everything the way we did.
We took this outdated pool and completely transformed it with the latest automation technology. Using the AquaLink system, we programmed the heat pump separately from the gas heater, ensuring maximum efficiency and control. Now everything is managed with a single touch, making pool maintenance effortless. Inside this private oasis, we refinished a luxurious jacuzzi, a built-in cooler, and steps leading directly into the pool. It's the perfect spot to unwind and escape the world. At JMC Pools, we don't just renovate pools, we create completely new experiences. With years of expertise in high-end transformations, we turn outdated pools into stunning resort-style retreats.